Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Mashalahd. So today I'm going to be doing a glam makeup look for y'all and I'm so excited. So I have moisturized my face, but I am going to start with contouring my face. I already have moisturized my face. I am so excited, y'all, for this video. I have been waiting for so long, for like a while now, just to get this video out there. Then I'm going to take my foundation. I am a foundation girl. Let me be honest with you, I do not even wear foundation too much, because then I look like someone from I look very awfully bad. But it's really good if you start to experience something and start experiencing what looks good on you and what does not look good on you. I take my contour, I put 2 fingers in it, and I just do my nose contour. Now this does not look like a glam look, but I promise you this will look like a glam look. I take this, put it on my eyes. I am so ready, y'all. I just want to get ready and start my day. My room's a bit messy, so sorry for that, but which room isn't messy? I am so excited to do this video for everybody because it's been a while and I wanted to do this video. I use my mascara and I use enormously too much. I use like an enormous amount. Life has been okay for me. It has some phases, some good ones, some bad ones. But let me be honest with you, life has so much good in it that if we focus on like the bad stuff, we're only gonna think of like the bad stuff. So do not do that and just be so positive within you. I take my powder, I just start powder. I just put like my powder, and I'm probably the first person who does this. No, I have seen many people do this, but I am like, I just want a powder. I'm a powder girl. Then I'm gonna do some blush. And then I'm going to be doing my compact powder just here and here. Look how flawless it looks. It looks very beautiful. Not gonna lie, it looks very beautiful. Then I'm gonna take my highlighter and I'm just gonna put it on the bridge of my nose. Some things are just part of your life, and makeup for me is part of my life. I always, if I'm wearing golden, I will always wear red. lipstick. Oops. Sorry. I'm gonna fix this in the camera. I am done, I think so, with the look, and this look is pretty simple. This look just is very pretty simple, but if you want to add something more, I take my highlighter. I add my highlighter. And this looks just perfect. So I hope you all enjoyed this little makeup look I did. It's like a glam makeup look I did. So if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe, and show me a lot of love, and because showing love is the best thing ever. So show me a lot of love and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.